So today I'm going to talk about a thing which is very useful for us and either it will make your future or break. It was very useful for us in the COVID period. With the help of it, we can do anything. We are not able to pass our one day without it because it has become the way of life of the people. So, good evening, sir, and good evening, all my dear friends. Well, my name is Tanmay Bhardwaj. Today, I'm going to talk about uses of mobile phone. Before starting my speech, I would like to thank my sir who has given me this beautiful opportunity. So, thank you, sir. So, now I'm talking. So, what is mobile phone? Mobile phone is an electronic device which is used commonly for many purposes. It is very useful for us because we have shifted our mostly work online. That's why it has become the integrated part of our life. It is very useful because of this we can done our works in seconds. People also like it because everyone wants to their work. Everyone wants to done their work in seconds. That's why people also love it. So it was invented in 1973 by a great scientist whose name is Martin Cooper, and it was the greatest invention of the 20th century. And as you all know, with the help of mobile phone, we can take online classes, online meetings, and with the help of mobile phone, we also use it for shopping. And in the COVID period, we have shifted our mostly work online. That's why it has become very important for us, and everyone like it because of it, and because it with the help of it we can make our works done easier, and also we can do meetings on and like taking class online. There are a lot of platforms by that we can do study in the mobile phone. And in the COVID period, it was very useful for us because in the COVID period, we use it for many purposes. And at that time, we have shifted our mostly work online. And like anyone don't go outside. Everyone use it for the shopping, like for buying groceries and clothes item online. Because at that time, we are not able to go outside. And at that time, only delivery men can come and for delivery. And in the COVID period, the students take online classes, and their teacher also held online classes at that time. After that, the admission of the schools are available online. After the COVID period, the importance and popularity of mobile phone has increased. And in the COVID period, there are like people also use it for like if they bored, so they use it for their entertainment purposes, like for playing games and watching reels. Also, at that time, people use it for watching study videos or study purpose things. Because in this time we can do study with the help of mobile phone. It is very useful for us because like a lot of students we can talk and with the help of mobile phone a lot of students clear do courses, online courses, like PW classes and other many classes. And in online we can communicate to anyone. It is very useful because we can communicate. Everyone like it because at the old time we have to write letters, but now we can call everyone easily. And with the help of mobile phone we can do our office work with the help of online. And it is very useful for us, and because it use radio waves to receive or send signals. It has because also it access all the data of the internet. And with the help of mobile phone you can communicate to everyone without physically present there. And people get addicted to it, and like if you snatch their phone to them, they react like very angry because they get much addicted to it. But they don't feel it that they get much addicted to it. And there are a lot of advantages of mobile phone that are with the help of mobile phone, like you with the help of mobile phone you can send emails, or like in emergency it is very good, because in the earlier time people don't have mobile phone, so they have to cover a lot of distance if there is any emergency. And like they write a letter, so it will take a much time, and the second person had to wait for a longer period of time. But with the help of mobile phone you can send emails and anything, and it will send in some seconds. That's why it is very useful for us. And the second one is why that you can do communication. It also breaks the communicable distance barriers, which is very useful for us. Like there is someone who belongs to who is in America now, but in India you can call to him with the help of mobile phone. And the third one is for study purposes. For study purposes there are a lot of AI makes, like chat gpt and creator and Q&A and etc, but and YouTube and many platforms. By that you can do study with the help. And if you lost anywhere, so you can open the map. With the help of map you can you can find the address, and you can reach that address easily with the help of map. And if there's advantages, so also disadvantages of mobile phone. So some disadvantages of mobile phone are children's and teen and everyone gets much addicted to it. That's why it affects their eyesight and their ears, because it affects their both mental and physical health. It is it is very harmful for us, because they get addicted to it, so they are unable to keep it away from them for some minutes. Like if you snatch their phone, so they get angry, and without reason they do fight with you. And many of children get much addicted to it. Like if you give them snatch their mom come and snatch their phone, so they will do like they will fight them. And it is very harmful for them also, because it affects their mind. And the second one is that for the cyber crimes and fraud, and a lot of people used to do fraud calls and cyber crimes, which was very dangerous, because like there's any app, so you will allow all the access of that app. And but that app is, when you access all about that app, so your account will be hacked. That is very useful for the cyber crimer, and it is very dangerous for us. And the third one is, a lot of people used to spread fake news with the help of mobile phone. They used to use it for spreading fake news, but there is no any logic in it, but a lot of people trust it. So it is very harmful and dangerous for us. And so my last conclusion is that it's totally up to you whether you use it in a good way or bad way, but I suggest you that you should always use it in a good way, because if you use it in a good way, so you will make your future bright. And so today you have been a great audience. Thank you for your kind attention.